Questioners, have you ever wondered how your voice travels across the internet in seconds without using a traditional phone line? Or maybe you're planning to launch your own VoIP service but aren't sure how everything works behind the scenes? Don't worry. Today I'm breaking it all down for you in the simplest way possible. Let's go! Welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm Nick, and on this channel, we help you choose the best hosting solutions, understand tech in simple language, and grow your online projects smarter. In today's video, we're covering how VoIP works, why VoIP is the future of communication, and the best web hosting for VoIP services if you're planning to start your own platform. Let's jump right in. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, which simply means making phone calls using the internet instead of traditional telephone lines. Instead of copper wires, VoIP sends your voice as digital data packets, allowing you to call globally at lower costs, use apps, soft phones, or desk phones, scale easily for businesses, enjoy advanced features like call recording, IVR, voicemail to email, and more. That's why VoIP is now powering call centers, customer support teams, remote offices, and even startups worldwide. Now let's understand how VoIP actually works. In simple terms, one, voice capture. When you speak into a VoIP phone, headset, or app, your voice is captured by a microphone. 2, analog to digital conversion. That sound is converted into digital data using codecs like G711, G729, or Opus. 3, packet transmission. The data is broken into small packets and sent over the internet using protocols like SIP, RTP, and UDP. 4, routing through servers. These packets pass through VoIP servers or PBX systems that manage call routing, authentication, and signaling. 5, reassembly at receiver end. At the other side, packets are reassembled and converted back into audio, and boom, your voice is heard in real time. This entire process happens in milliseconds, which is why VoIP feels just like a normal phone call, but faster, cheaper, and smarter. Now here's something most people overlook. Your VoIP system is only as good as the server infrastructure behind it. Poor hosting equals call drops, voice lag downtime, security risks. That's why choosing the right VoIP hosting provider is critical, especially if you're building a serious VoIP business. If you're planning to launch your own VoIP service and want secure, reliable, and high-performance hosting, I highly recommend QloudHost. QloudHost is one of the best VoIP hosting providers because they offer high-performance VPS and dedicated servers, DMCA Ignored Hosting, perfect for offshore VoIP operations, offshore server locations for enhanced privacy, enterprise-grade security and DDoS protection, ultra-low latency, networks for crystal-clear calls, root access and full customization 24/7 expert technical support, and yes, a VPS is more than enough for most VoIP projects and startups. But if you want a mission-critical, always-online VoIP platform, then a dedicated server is your best choice. I've dropped the QloudHost link in the description. Go check out their VoIP-friendly VPS and dedicated server plans and pick what fits your project best. If you have any questions about VoIP hosting or setup, drop them in the comments below. I personally read and reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching this video here. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one with more hosting tips, tech guides, and business growth strategies. Until then, stay connected and keep building.